Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another wig tutorial using braid extension. Like, it's been a while I've done something like this on this channel, so I'm bringing this back again to you guys and in a more detailed form. Also, I'm going to show you guys how to care for your wig, your coily crochet wig with braid extension. I'm going to show you guys how to care for it so that you wear it for long, also you can use it for long. So just keep on watching and I'll be answering some of your questions in the comment in this video as well. Just stick around and watch to the end of this video so you don't end up asking me like questions that I've already answered in this video in the comment section. So just watch to the end of this video so you get answers to your questions that you've been asking for a while now. So I'm just rolling my braid extension to the bendy rollers, and this is the quantity I have. Right here is 1 pack of braid extension that I coiled. This is just 1 pack of braid extension that I coiled, and I dip it in hot water. I like to sit for some minutes. I'm going to take it out and then unravel it. Now after unravel it, I'm just going to separate the coils, like separate it, and just make sure that while you're doing this separation process, the braid extension is not dried, like the water in it is not fully out of it, like there's still water in it. It's like to not scatter too much. And this is what I have after unraveling the braid extension. This is how beautiful it is. And here is my mixture of water and conditioner. So I'm going to be spraying the water and conditioner on the braid extension, so this will make it really easy to separate the coils and you will not have too many flyaways while you use water and conditioner to separate your coils. This is another like tips on how to perfectly separate your coils without them, you know, getting scattered. So I'm just separating the coils now, spraying the water and conditioner when needed on the braid extension. Now if you've watched to this point of this video and you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please guys, hit the subscribe button. Okay, subscribe to this channel, turn on your post notification so you get notified each time I put out a new video. Also, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this hair, the wig, after watching this video, and share this video to as many people as you feel needs this kind of video. So you guys can see that after I just sprayed a little bit of the water and the conditioner on the braid extension, see how perfect it came out. So this is why you need your conditioner and your water, and you can use any type of conditioner that you have. Like, this is a leave-in conditioner. You can use any type of conditioner that you have, be it cheap or expensive one. You can use any type at all. And for the braid extension, you can also use any type of braid extension that you have, provided it can take hot water. Like, provided it's not the type that bounces where you put it in hot water. You know, there are so many fake ads there, like there are so many fake braiding hair out there, so you go for the good ones. And also you can use a pre-stretch hair. It must not be that you have to be the one to stretch it yourself, brush it and all of that. So after separating the coils, this is what I have. I'm just going to, you know, wear my wig cap on my dummy head, and this is the adjustable wig cap. You can also use any type of wig cap that you have. So to crochet the braid extension to the wig cap, I'm going to pass the crochet hook through the cap and then, you know, start crocheting. Like, you guys are seeing what I'm doing. So I'm just going to start crocheting the braid extension to the wig cap. I'm just tying once in this video, but if you're making yours, you can decide to tie twice or once. Like, I did not see any difference between tying twice or once, but I've seen a lot of people saying that, oh, when you tie twice it this is that. But you guys do as you want to do. But for me in this video, I'm just tying once. And if you guys notice, in some of my videos I tie twice, but this I'm just tying only once. So I'm just going to crochet till I show you guys the next step.
Don't you think we're done? Don't you think we're done?
For the top part of this wig, I'm going to show you guys how to perfectly close up your crochet wig that nobody will know it's a crochet wig. And to do that, I'm going to make my own bundles using the braid extension, and the bundle I'm making is just to cover up the remaining space that I have there before I put in my closure, just to cover it. Like, you need a line or two to cover up that space so that it will just, you know, blend like it's a weave you sew in there. So I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to make my bundles now with the braid extension. Here is the quantity I've made so far. I'm going to do more of this off camera and then just use my hot iron to straighten it up. And this is what I have after doing that. This is the length I actually measured, and this is the length I have here. I'm just going to, I went ahead to roll it, dip it in hot water, and just, I want to separate it now so that you guys can see how I'm separating it. You can also use the water and conditioner for the separation as well. If it is not coming out the way you want it, just use water and conditioner to separate it and to come out perfect. I don't know if you guys can notice the difference between this one and just the one I crocheted like without using my hot iron to straighten it. This one I used my hot iron to straighten, came out more shiny than the other ones I did without, you know, straightening it. So this one is looking more shiny compared to the other one, and it really made a lot of difference in this wig. So I would advise that if you're doing yours, kind of stretch it when you're making your bundles. Just stretch it a bit first, like use the hot iron on a low heat to stretch it before you coil it, because it made a lot of difference in this wig. Like, it made it more shiny without even adding any cream. Like, I did not add anything to make it shine. No, like, this is just what it is, and this is what I have. And the next step is my closure. Now, I did not want this video to be too long, so I made my closure off camera really small that you guys can see, not so much because I do not want to sit down for long crocheting and making my closure. So I'm going to also coil the closure I made as well. After making the closure, I also used the hot iron, like the stretcher, to stretch it on a low heat so it will give me that shiny look, because I noticed it with the first one, like with the bundle, that it came out shiny. So I also repeat the process with the bundle, with the closure as well. So guys, this is after the separation. I'm just going to sew in the closure to the wig cap, and then I'm going to also sew in the bundles to the wig cap. So let me just let you guys watch this sewing process, and I'll be back.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. So
After sewing my bundles and my closure to the wig cap, I'm just going to cut the lace net. I'm going to cut the wig cap, not lace net, guys. I'm going to cut the wig cap under the lace net, so you guys can see the beauty of this closure here. I'm just cutting it out, and while you're doing that, careful so you don't, like, you know, cut your closure. So the final step is actually to spray in the water and conditioner on the wig. Just spray it to set up everything that is not, like, that has not set yet. Just spray it to set up everything, making sure that the wig is looking luscious, beautiful, and super gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just going to spray in the quantity, like as much quantity as I want, and after spraying it, I'm just going to use my hand to, like, you know, soak it in. Just make sure that everything is looking all nice, and after that I'm going to trim. Now the trimming process I'm doing is not just for the down alone, like I'm not just trimming on the tip alone, I'm also going to trim the body of the wig. For those flyaways that will be coming out even after you finish spraying it, just trim them out and your wig is done. And for the maintenance of this wig, what you have to do is, after you've worn this wig for some time and you discover that it is getting rough, what you just have to do is get your leave-in conditioner and your water again and spray on the wig. Just do a maintenance on the wig, and after spraying the water and leave-in conditioner on it, use your scissors to trim. Like, the wig might go shorter from the normal length you have depending on how the tips are. Just go a bit shorter again and trim the body, trim, like, just trim, and I bet you your wig will come out looking neat again. So that is a care tip you have to apply for your coily crochet wig. I'm going to make another video on how to do that for your straight wig. For those saying that their straight wig get tangled, I'm going to do another video on that maybe later on. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about these tips I've given to you, and if you have more tips on how to do this, let me know in the comment section, guys. We are all learning. I'm learning, you guys are learning, so let me know in the comment section if you have better ideas apart from what I just said. Now let me know in the comment section. And you guys see how gorgeous your babe is looking on this wig? Gosh, this wig is beautiful, guys. This wig is beautiful. Okay guys, let me know what you think in the comment section. Please give me a thumbs up, share this video, leave your comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.